Yo guys, what's up? Jawnes here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up any headset or headphones on your Xbox One. But before I start with today's tutorial, I just want to let you know that 99.7% of people who watch my videos are not subscribers, so I would greatly appreciate it if you could go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications as well, as this will help my channel a lot. So starting off with this tutorial, what you need to know about connecting a headset to your Xbox is that there's two ways. It's either directly via a direct connection to the controller or via an adapter that you're going to plug your headset into the adapter and then plug the adapter into your controller. And you have to note that the Xbox headset has to be a 3.5mm jack that has 3 rings. If for some reason your headset has this type of connection, you're going to need to buy an adapter that will convert the two green and pink cables into one 3.5mm jack, whether you connect female to 3.5mm male jack, and then you connect this one to the adapter. Now the first method to connect it is directly, so what you need to do is to plug it into your controller and go to the settings, select device and accessories, and then set up with the desired sound settings that I'm going to develop in a bit. And then the other way is to connect it via your adapter and then adjusting the volume on your adapter, and then going to the settings as well and setting up the connection via the device accessories as well, and then selecting the appropriate sound. Now some of headphones have optical audio cables, so you're going to plug it from the back of your Xbox, and then in the settings in audio output choose optical audio under digital audio and then select stereo uncompressed, or you can use bit stream out options. Now in order to adjust the settings, what you need to do is to go to settings and then go to display and sound and then go to audio output. This will redirect you to the settings where you can either choose for audio stereo uncompressed, bit stream out and Dolby Digital for bit stream format, or you can go ahead and choose stereo uncompressed instead of bit stream out, depending on the model of your headset. Now there's one thing you have to note down, that Microsoft introduced Windows Sonic surround sound for Xbox One, which gives you an immersive virtual surround sound and works with the Windows Sonic headphones or Dolby Atmos headphones. But what you need to know about this is, depending on the model of your headset, when you go to the settings on the headset audio, you can choose Windows Sonic for surround, and then these are, for example, a model of headsets that are compatible with these settings. But if not, you can go ahead and just select stereo uncompressed with the following settings. For example, for the Elite 800X, which does not support the new feature added. Now this has been it basically on how you can set up your headset for the Xbox One. If for some reason you're still facing an error where you cannot hear people or your headsets are not working, I have a video already uploaded on my channel explaining to you how you can fix this error, so make sure you check it out. And again, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.